Welcome to Agrabah, city of mysteries, of enchantment. No, we are in Williamstad, Curacao, our third stop on this Norwegian Jade. Today is free sailing. We're gonna wing it. We're just gonna walk off the port and see what happens next.
Welcome to Curacao.
Any idea what we're doing next? Well, there's a cigar shop in 65 feet. So you can check out Aruba and you can check out our stop in Dominican Republic prior to this video. But as you can see here in Curacao, the ship is right there, short walk right on the pier, and you have your shops. And now we're gonna head out into the city. So I will say not too bad coming off. Yes, of course, there's the people offering you rides and taxis, but not hustling too bad, not screaming at you. So it's good to have them as long as it's not overwhelming and they yell at you for not talking to them, unlike Jamaica. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning and we have till 7:30 to board. What is this pretty street? Oh, you want to go to Psycho Bunny? So more shops, and Chelsea likes the water fountains because it reminds her of Kansas City.
It's home, but not right now. I'm in Curacao.
Well, so for all your shopping pleasure.
We're going through a fort. That's a mall, apparently. I want to go and I love Curacao.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Dude, what the? Hey, look, whatever, man. You gotta love the touristy stuff. This is for me. But we tried to buy our swag and crazy stuff on the way out. So it's less to carry all day.
Wow. Look how pretty. The buildings are beautiful. It's so clean.
Good place to just wander.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not sure if it has anything to do with the fact that we're here on a Sunday because Chelsea just said that and I didn't even realize it was Sunday. But things are kind of not open. A Mini Cooper. Oh, the steering wheel's on the wrong side.
Oh, yep. Weird.
The cool thing about down here is like over in Aruba, they don't really get hit by hurricanes because they're so far south. You don't have to really worry about getting torn up like all the islands up north. I hope Chelsea found something.
Iguana.
Now, we're in the Doochie. Big booty woman.
She's blessed.
Yeah. We got a little parade of cars here.
Ford F-100.
Mustang. Just random little car show in the middle of the day. Z28, baby. That's the 80s. There we go. Fairlane. Yes, it's a little Toyota pickup truck. That's Smokey and the Bandit, baby. It's a nice Mustang. That's cool. Oh, it's a Corolla, 83 Corolla.
Nice.
Oops, we got into a car show. And Jeffy likes car shows. So good to know. We stopped into a place and in the pharmacy we grabbed a bottle of water, a can of Coke, and a Gatorade. So they asked you if you want to pay in their money or in dollars, and I said dollars, and $5. 3 drinks for $5, good deal. But if you really want to know if stuff's expensive here we go. You can get a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit for $439,000 US dollars. That's not cheap. Oh, a 1-bedroom is $289,000 American. Okay, so the drinks are cheap, but apparently the real estate is not. Probably equivalent to land in America, but you're in Curacao, so I guess the money is the beach. Which, by the way, if you keep watching, we're gonna go find one in a few minutes after we find some food.
Go look at that menu, that pancake place.
Sure. The lights look like pancakes. So somebody on the boat told us that this pancake house was the bomb diggity, so we made our way around, walked around for about an hour and a half. Grab the food now before going on a cab because we're gonna go find a cool beach.
Do you think the Wi-Fi password is pancake?
Yeah. What do you think?
It's so good.
So we headed back over to the port, found us a cab. He's gonna bring us to
Kokomo.
There you go. You can get that final one. Great thing about the driver, he will bring us and then we'll tell him like 2 hours and he will pick us up and bring us back. Didn't even get to the beach yet. You're just sitting here swinging.
Kokomo. So we got here fast. Now we're gonna take it slow.
Hey, Kokomo. The whole point was to get every name on that one song.
Pretty much.
So it's free to get in. We're fine. And then I guess everything here is paid for, which is good, because if you just want to come to the beach and hang out and not really drink or do anything, then you can come here for free. It just costs you a taxi cab ride. Oh, well, this is definitely worth it. See, this is why you got to watch the whole videos, because you never know what we're going to find on these detours. So got some swimming in, got to go see the swings and hang out and jump and dive and have some fun. Then we got a couple of daiquiris, pretty damn good daiquiris here. Now we're gonna take a little quick walk around, see what's everything else is here.
So Jeff decided to swim out to this wooden floaty thing. He made it. Here he comes. It's a beautiful beach. Kokomo. Wave, Jeffrey! Hi! You lost your glasses?
Your little tour. We got about 30 minutes until we got to get back on our little cab back to the mainland. The chairs were $6 all day long, each chair. So it's not too bad. Got 2 daiquiris, big daiquiris for 20 bucks. They were like 16-ounce cups. Restaurant and bar is right here. They serve a little bit of food. And then what's cool is if you make your way around up here on this deck, they just watch out for the iguanas that are everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
There's another one over there. There's 3 more, 4 more over there. One's about to eat that lady's toe.
Oh my gosh.
Look, they're sunning up on that plat.
Oh yeah, they
They're
are.
up on the rock. Oh, that's a big boy.
Oh, that is a big one. Oh, I'm looking at the one behind the tree here. Look at that one.
Iguana.
Should I touch it? Avoid the pricks in life.
He a big boy. That is.
He's not nearly as green or brown, I guess, as, like, what's the difference?
I don't know.
What's he doing?
He's coming to eat your big toe.
Oh, shit.
Just thought you needed to see that. Moving on. We were eating burgers and fries and a bunch of other stuff. So you got your food if you want. They have showers that are like 50 cents and then some more swings if you didn't want to go in the water. Which of course Chelsea has to swing. She looks so much cooler than me because she has sunglasses. Because I'm the dumbass that dove in the water and lost them. So we got a little shop here for scuba diving and snorkels and fun stuff like that. In the scuba shack, they got like these cabinets with stuff I guess they found. So really old cell phones, some bottles, some cameras. And then next door is the scuba shop if you're gonna go scuba diving. Rent it all here so you don't have to go anywhere. More chairs, so that's the bar restaurant over there. And then this would just be the bar. A couple of cabanas and more beach chairs and more swimming areas. So it's not a whole lot to it. If you're looking for a big party and stuff like that, this is probably not the place. But if you're looking for a place to relax and have a good day, this might be the perfect place.
Oh, this coral.
Yeah, so far in Aruba and Curacao, most of the beaches are like coral like this. So everything is just grounded up coral. You might want to have some swim shoes because it's kind of rough in a lot of spots. I really like the cactus on the cliffs. I think that's cool.
That is cool.
I think that's so different than any other beach you can go to. So that's Kokomo. Well, we made it back to the port. And at that souvenir shop, I solved the whole sunglasses problem, 15 bucks. I never spend more than 20 bucks on a pair of sunglasses because I lose them or break them or scratch them all the damn time. And then we decided to go buy sunscreen, and we didn't want to buy it on the ship because it is like $25 a bottle. And it gave us an excuse to go get some stickers.
Yeah, we did search all over town for a 10-cent store. Got to one and it was closed.
Aruba and Curacao, what's your thoughts?
I love them both. I think Curacao is the place to go for like an all-inclusive.
So if you're gonna be spending a week somewhere, Curacao is better than Aruba?
I mean, Aruba was great. Just
Like,
tiny.
Tiny.
There's more things to do to get out and see here, I think.
But we are back to the Riff Fort where we ate our pancakes from Curacao.
My feet are freaking burning, baby.
Well, we can fix that. Right up her skirt.